Hello again. This playlist is about boundaries and self-protection. So, in the videos in this playlist, we're exploring boundaries as biological, emotional, and relational function rather than as a personality trait. So, many people struggle with boundaries not because they lack confidence, but because their early environments taught them that connection required just self erasure. And this series reframes boundaries as acts of care or safety and self respect and shows how healthy limits restore energy, trust, and authentic connection. I had a very poor sense of boundaries myself um, because of my early environment. I'm not blaming anybody. It was the situation I was in, but I didn't know where I started or ended or where other people began. And I just grew up not very sure. And I have lots of clients, and boundaries are an issue for them. So if you watch these videos, it's 5 short little videos and a series of reflections and journaling prompts. It'll help you to actually get a sense of awareness and understanding of where you are with boundaries. I mean, a lot of people just they hear the word boundaries bandied around, but they don't actually really get it. What are boundaries? So carry on and watch the videos. If you find these videos helpful or useful, please uh, click subscribe and like, and I would be delighted to have your comments down below. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.